So it's second month since I'm working and I have received my salary. So I thought, why not buy some things for myself? So I'm visiting Sephora, and I will show you all the prices there. Stay tuned. Rahul, how hot is it?
It's very hot. Can't sustain this heat.
And it's still just May 30th.
Yeah.
Can't wait to enter August. It's going to be extremely hot then. So.
Et donc le numéro 2, vous pouvez pas le... Et non, parce que c'est jamais les mêmes. D'accord. Sinon, non, tu peux normalement. Ouais, non, si tu peux.
Like this pink. Does it suit?
You didn't put it nicely.
Rahul, why did you say yellow?
Because this would actually look good on your face as well when you put the nail polish.
He means my color.
No. No. But try. You should try.
Looks like I
But it's good.
don't know. Which one looks better? Pink, green, or yellow? Please let me know in the comment. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I personally want to buy Fenty Beauty because they have amazing shades, like you can see. Most of the time when I used to buy from India, most of the colors, they never suited me. So I always thought of buying Fenty Beauty, but they're a bit expensive. But for here, it's not really expensive. So maybe next month. Agarbatti.
Oh, same. You have which flavor?
Forte. Some perfumes are not meant to be rubbed. It's
How is it?
There are so many that after I tried a couple of them, now I don't feel which is which because all of them seem same to me. Does this always happen or is it just me? I think there's something wrong here. Do you like it?
Can you smell it this one?
Yeah. Now our nostrils are fucked up because we can't smell anything else and we have smelled so many things. But I like this branding. Strong they expect them.
But how is it? I can't smell it.
एकदम alcohol बनता है.
How is it?
These are really low. Should I have bought these? I like this one too. And yes, I bought some nail paint like these. Yeah, 4 of these. I'm not sure if the prices in India are also similar, but yeah, you do get a lot of stuffs. So I did get a couple of trial packs uh, like these. These are the perfumes. So I'm going to try this for like 3-4 times and then decide which ones to buy, because I was really skeptical which ones. Initially I did select the Jasmine Dior, but then after trying some I felt like it was not really giving it, right? So let's see, maybe next week I'll buy. But I did buy some nail paints, and each of them were like €5 each. And I love the color. This is the first time I'm trying or experimenting with a lot of colors. So yay! So innovative way to dry clothes. And about safety, pedestrians walk here. I don't know. Okay, I got to share this. So even the locals, they look at you, so they smile, and I'm used to this, right? So now when I look at a familiar face like Desi, they have such a straight face. Is it my face? Am I so scary? Why can't we just smile at each other? We're already in such a far country. Everybody's exploring everything, so just a small smile would make such a huge difference. No? Hit my leg.
ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೈತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪ್ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಚಂದ ಇದೆ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಿಡ್ದಿ ರೊಡ್ಡ. ಬಿಸಿ ಐತಿ.